Hey there, cultural explorers! Today I'm taking you on a journey to the heart of North Africa, where history, culture, and resilience converge in the stunning land of Libya. Imagine a place where vast deserts meet breathtaking coastlines, and ancient history whispers through the winds. This is Libya, a country that has seen empires rise and fall, cultures blend, and people stand resilient through the ages. Let's start in the capital, Tripoli. With the Mediterranean breeze whispering through its streets, Tripoli stands as a symbol of Libya's enduring spirit. Home to about 7 million people, Libya is a tapestry of diverse ethnic groups, each contributing to its rich cultural heritage. Libya's form of government is a unitary provisional government, navigating the complexities of modern governance. The Prime Minister leads the country, guiding it towards stability and growth. Arabic is spoken with pride, echoing in marketplaces, schools, and homes across the land. Islam, deeply woven into the lives of Libyans, guides their traditions and values. Libya's history is a mosaic of influences, from the Berbers, Phoenicians, Greeks, and Romans, to the Arab conquests and Ottoman rule. Libya later found itself under Italian colonization before gaining independence in 1951. The modern era saw political transitions, including the rule of Muammar Gaddafi, and a subsequent revolution that reshaped the country's governance. Geographically, Libya is a land of extremes. The Sahara Desert dominates much of its terrain, yet along the Mediterranean coast, fertile lands flourish. Covering 1.76 million square kilometers, Libya is the fourth largest country in Africa. The natural beauty here is mesmerizing. From the stunning sand dunes of the Ubari Lakes to the breathtaking ruins of Leptis Magna, showcasing the grandeur of the Roman era. Economically, Libya relies heavily on its vast oil reserves, with the Libyan dinar as its currency. But beyond oil, the true wealth lies in its resilient people. Libyans embrace their heritage while striving for progress, making significant strides in education and literacy. The literacy rate is high, and efforts to enhance education and provide opportunities for future generations are ongoing. Life expectancy is around 72 years, reflecting both challenges and advancements in healthcare. Libyan culture is a rich tapestry woven with traditional music, poetry, and cuisine. Picture the aroma of couscous, bazine, and asida filling homes, bringing families together in celebration. The warmth of hospitality is a hallmark of Libyan society, where guests are treated with utmost respect and generosity. Despite challenges, Libya's gross national income per capita shows potential, and the country aims for economic diversification. The government works towards a future where its youth can thrive, where history meets modernity, and where resilience defines its people. As the sun sets over Tripoli's skyline, casting golden hues over the ancient city, the heart of Libya continues to beat strong. It's a nation with a story to tell, one of endurance, transformation, and hope. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to Beautyleven Canada for more amazing videos like this.